Okay, so we have this question which is coming from 2022 paper 1 on quadratic function, and the question reads, the sketch shows the graph of y is equal to x2 minus 2x minus 8, and we have been told to find the coordinates of a and b, as we can see here, to find the coordinates of a and b. Now, how can we find the coordinates of a and b? So we need to use the equation of the graph which have been given. So let's write the equation, which is y is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 8. Then what you need to do is, where there is y, you equate with 0. So it will be x squared is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 8, let's say, is equal to 0. Then when you do that, I need to find what we call the product, sum, and factors. So we need to find the product, we find the sum, we also need to find the factors. So our product, it is negative 8, and then our sum, it is negative 2. Then what about the factors? So the factors are two numbers. When you multiply them, they'll give you the product, and then when you add them, they'll give you the sum. So which two numbers? So we can say negative 4 and 2. So when you multiply negative 4 times 2, when you multiply negative 4 and 2, they'll give you the product, which is negative 8. And then when you add negative 4 plus 2, it will give you negative 2. Now, to find the coordinates, what you can do is the same factors which you have found here. You need to come up with two equations. Let me show you. So let's say this is our first equation, and this will be our second equation. Then what you need to do is, the first equation should have x, even the second equation should have x. Now, we need to use the first factor. The first factor, it is negative 4. So let's say x minus 4. So if this one, it will be x minus 4. Then we equate it to 0. Then the other equation, we check the second factor. The second factor, it is positive 2. So this one, it will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then we just find the value of x. So how can you find the value of x in the first equation? So we can say x is equal to 0. Then this one, when close the equal sign, it will be positive 4. Then x is equal to, what is 0 plus 4? It will give us 4. Then in the second equation, x is equal to 0. Then when this one crosses the equal sign, it will be negative 2. So it will be x is equal to negative 2. So now you need to ask yourself a question. If you see this, the first value of x, which is 8, is a positive. So as you can see, we're trying to find out which one is for a and which one is for b. So as you can see, a is on the left hand side, which is on the negative side. Then b is on the right hand side, which is on the positive side, which means 4, it will be for b, then negative 2 is for b, for a. So how are we going to equate? We do this. This one, it will be negative 2, 0. Then this one will be it will be positive 4, 0. So this is how we find the coordinates of a and b.